In this video, we're going to talk about should you reset a funded account with Take Profit Trader. Right here, you can see you can reset a funded account up to 3 times. However, before we jump into all that, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 50% sale off all their evaluation accounts for life. So if you buy the account now, you blow it up, just don't cancel the account. It'll renew at the 50% discount, and just simply use the promo code right up here, code epitome. When you click on that, it'll save it to your clipboard. So it's a way for you to support the channel at no additional cost by using the link in the description box down below. So now that we know we're able to reset a pro account up to 3 times, should we actually reset that account? And in this example, we're going to scroll down and look at the 50K account. Right now, with a 50% discount, we can get a 50K account for only $85. Then when you scroll right up here, we can see you have a one-time activation fee after passing of $130. So if we think about this from a practical standpoint, we have $85 for the evaluation. We have $130 for the activation fee. So at this point, we'd be $215 in for a brand new funded account, assuming that you're able to pass the evaluation on the very first try. Now, a lot of people get frustrated. They don't like taking the evaluations. And for those people, if you come right into your dashboard and you click on your pro accounts, you can see right here, I still have 2 active 150K accounts, but then I have 3 blown 50K accounts. And you can see right here, reset 0 of 3 times, which means that I have not used any of these resets on these accounts. Now, if I simply come right over here and I click on the reset button, you'll see that it brings us to this pop-up right here where we can go ahead and check out. And basically what it says, you have a promo code you can put in right here. However, I do not think the promo code will work. So when I enter the promo code, click apply, yikes, we get this message. Please check the promo code you have entered. So again, using any affiliate links is not going to save this cost. But let's look at that, $649 to yes, guarantee you will be back in a funded account. However, when we bring back over the calculator real quick, let's think about this. If we can pass the evaluation in one time, that would be a cost of $215. However, what if we do it like this? What if we go ahead and say, all right, $649 minus $130, that gives us $519. Now, if we divide that by $85, you can still see that we could take the evaluation 6 times. So if we pass within 6 times, then it would basically come out to the same amount of money or less. So again, if you're thinking about resetting a blown account, let's think about this logically. Would it be better for you to put yourself in the penalty box, work back towards that funded account, or should you just go right ahead, pay the additional money to get right back into a funded account? Let me know in the comment section down below. Have you guys ever resetted a funded account with Take Profit Trader? Now let's look at this one other way real quick so we can make a better decision. If we go ahead and we pull the calculator back up once again, we see we have $649 in order to reset this account. Then I'm going to open up another calculator window. Now, if you guys remember right now we can buy an account for $85. Then if we add $130 for the activation fee, we have $215. So what if we go ahead and we divide 649 by 215? We could actually, for the same price, if you're able to pass the evaluation in one time, we're able to actually get 3 funded accounts for the price of resetting a funded account. So before you go ahead and you jump on and just want to get back in the funded account, take a moment, think about it financially. Does it make financial sense to go ahead and reset the funded account? Or would it be better to go ahead and wait, go back through the evaluation phase, potentially end up with more funded accounts, which could in the end give you more payouts? And if you guys want to see why I think Take Profit Trader is one of the easiest prop firms to pass the evaluations, make sure to watch this video right here.